If you've been trying to figure out how to use form tools to collect testimonials automatically without spending hours chasing people down, this video is going to show you exactly how to set it up once and let it run on autopilot. Plus, I'll be sharing access to an exclusive free trial of the software I personally recommend, only for viewers of this channel, so stick around. I've tested the most popular tools out there, and I found one that's not only easy to set up, but also powerful enough to actually get responses without you needing to follow up. Whether you're a business owner, creator, or agency, this works even if you're starting from scratch. First, go ahead and sign up for the software using the free trial link in the description. Once you're in, create a new form. Keep it simple. Name, email, and a field for the testimonial. But here's the key. Use guided questions like, what was your experience like before and after using our service? Or, what would you say to someone who's unsure about working with us? This helps people give meaningful, story-driven answers instead of one-liners. Now go to your automation or workflow settings. Set it so that anyone who completes the form gets an instant thank you message. You can include a small reward or just a thank you note, but the point is to close the loop right away and make them feel appreciated. Here's where it gets automated. Connect the form to your CRM or email marketing tool. This way, testimonials go straight into a database or a specific tag in your email system. You can even set it to notify you in Slack, email, or SMS every time a new one comes in. If you're using video testimonials, this software lets you add a video upload option in the form, so people can record straight from their phone or webcam. Super handy if you're collecting user-generated content for social proof. Next, embed the form on your site, ideally on your thank you pages, post-purchase pages, or even inside onboarding emails. You can also send it manually after a successful project or consultation. The goal is to place it when your customer is happiest. That's when they're most likely to leave a glowing testimonial. And don't forget to test your form before publishing, submit a test response, check your automations, make sure the confirmation emails go through, and then go live. Key takeaway: collecting testimonials doesn't have to be a time-consuming task. With the right form tools and automations in place, you can capture real, authentic stories on autopilot and turn them into powerful social proof for your brand. Quick recap. Sign up for the software using the exclusive free trial below. Build a simple testimonial form with guided questions. Set up thank you automations. Integrate with your CRM or email tool. Add the form to key touchpoints like thank you pages or emails. Test it, launch it, let it run. That's it, a done-for-you system to collect testimonials automatically. If you found this useful, don't forget to check out the exclusive trial in the description and start collecting testimonials the smart way.